Here's a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. You can carry the whole family and everything that comes with them in comfort and class. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains the Mitsubishi Outlander takes the rational road, filling in more functional details than flair, and it adds up to high-value family appeal. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.